Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a zebra cake for you. Let's get started. Flour, active yeast, salt, sugar, vanilla. Mix a little. Egg. Lukewarm milk. Start beating the dough with mixer. Butter. Continue beating for 5 minutes. Divide into 2 pieces. Set aside a piece of it. Put the other piece in the mixer. Cacao powder. Sugar. Beat this up to 5 minutes. Grease it with some butter. Leave it aside for 2 hours. Spread the dough like I did using rolling pin. Put it aside. Take the other piece of dough and spread it in the same way. Put the dough on top of each other and roll. Again, spread the dough and roll it finely. Put into the loaf pan. Make some diagonal grooves on the dough. Leave it aside for 45 minutes. Then bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, that's it for today. Enjoy your fresh baking. Thank you for watching and happy baking.